Welcome to video guide number 7, rostering teams and purchasing memberships. If you've been following along, then you've got your players added in the system and assigned to their teams via import. If not, feel free to skip ahead a bit. So we are halfway there with the players. Now we just need to push a button in Roster Builder. From the dashboard, click Roster Builder and then select Ohio Champions League 2023-24 US Club, blah, 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 and hit Submit. You will see the players on the left side and the teams listed on the right. Within a teams listing, you'll see a drop-down saying Clone Roster From, and by default, this will be set to Current Team Roster. Just click the blue Submit button and wait a moment. The roster will automatically be populated with all the attached players from your import. If you need to make any small additions, you can do so by just dragging and dropping the players over to the team. You can also filter the players that appear on the left to narrow it down a bit. Just set some of these filters up here and click search. And you can also use the checkboxes to add multiple players to a team at once. Check a few boxes here, and then on the right you will see a button appear that says Add to Team. Just click that and the checked players will be added to the team's roster. You will be able to add coaches and managers to team rosters by dragging and dropping or using the checkboxes as I just went over. Simply select coaches or managers next to players on the left side here, and you can use those same filter features to narrow it down a bit. Now that we have our team rosters created, we are ready to purchase the memberships themselves. Note that the players and coaches and managers can complete the requirements without you needing to have a membership purchase for them. The membership purchase is realistically just a lock that prevents cards and rosters from being printed. If your club has the ability, you will pay for your own memberships. Otherwise, the league will purchase them for you. This is already accounted for when doing invoices, so don't stress over this being an unforeseen cost. If the league is purchasing your memberships, then feel free to skip to the end of the video. If you are purchasing them for yourself, just click the green refresh or purchase button and click the submit button in the pop-up that appears. Do this for every team, and on the last one you can click check summary, which will prompt you to enter a credit/debit card. You've got teams rostered and memberships purchased. Now the only obstacle to printing cards and rosters will be ensuring everyone has their requirements completed. In the next video, we will be generating PDF copies of our cards and roster and talking about printing.